Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Connect app, pro tips step by step clearly. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app on your mobile device. Create a new account by selecting the Create Account option. Follow the prompts to enter your personal details, such as your name, email address, and password. Review and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. After account creation, log in using your new credentials. If you own a Garmin device, ensure it is turned on and within Bluetooth range. On the app's homepage, tap on More, then select Garmin Devices. Choose Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Garmin device with the app. Once paired, sync your device to upload any existing data. To set up your profile, go to the More section and select User Settings. Enter necessary information like age, weight, height, and activity level for accurate tracking. For connecting additional apps, navigate to Settings, then Connected Apps and integrate as needed. Explore the app's features, such as activity tracking, workout planning, and health insights. Customize your dashboard to display the metrics that matter most to you. Regularly sync your device to keep your data up to date. Check for app updates periodically to ensure optimal performance and access to new features. Finally, set your fitness goals within the app to stay motivated and track your progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.